Are you trying to find out how to put on suspenders? Here are the top 3 tips. 1. Start by ensuring your pants have suspender buttons or waistband loops sewn into them. These are typically located on the inside of the waistband, near the front and back. 2. Take one end of the suspender strap and attach it to the button or loop on the back of your pants. Hold the other end of the suspender strap and bring it over your shoulder to the front of your body. Attach the other end of the suspender strap to the corresponding button or loop on the front of your pants. Repeat the same process for the other suspender strap. 3. If your suspenders are clip-on, clip the end of one suspender to the back of your waistband so the placement is evenly between your neck and the end of your shoulder. Hold the other end of the suspender strap and bring it over your shoulder to the front of your body. Use the clip attached to the end of the suspender strap to grasp the waistband or fabric at the front of your pants, ensuring the clip securely holds the fabric without causing damage. Adjust the length of the suspender strap to your desired fit, ensuring it hangs comfortably without pulling too tightly. Repeat the same process for the other suspender strap, attaching it to the corresponding points at the front and back of your pants.